Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out the shoulder backpack made by ANNAPRO. This is for your MetaQuest 3, 3S, Apple Vision Pro. Basically any VR headset will work for it. It retails for $71 Canadian on their website. Currently on sale for $57 at the time of posting. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan Artist, lowercase letters, for an extra 10% off. I'll link all that in the description for you. But let's get right into it here. So our outside front cover here is nice hard shell, water resistant. We got zippers on both sides that go all the way around. We're going to zip it up in a moment here, so I'll show you. Our side material is a nice rubbery water resistant material, but it is flexible. And then our back is nice and padded mesh to add more breathability for when you're actually wearing it. So let's open this one up here. We have a large pocket in the top here. In the front of that large pocket, we have two other small pockets. We have a silk bag here made for the controllers that the controllers can go in to be protected. I'll put that to the side for now. We have a buckle here that's attached to this elastic that will keep your headset secure. On the top here, we have a nice hand strap, and then on the back, we have a nice shoulder strap. And this is really thick padding, as you can see there. Really, it feels really like really nice material, breathable fabric on this side that's going to be touching your body, and then that water resistant that's on the other side there. This clip can be undone here, and you can attach it to both sides, depending on what shoulder you prefer it to be on. So overall, it feels really nice and it looks really nice. Simple, but I'm hoping that it's big enough for what we need it to do. On their website, it does talk about it being big enough for an Elite strap with a battery, but I did put a Halo strap on my Quest 3 to give it a test. So this is the CMQ3 made by Globular Cluster. Let's give this one a try and see how it goes. So it does show on their website that the front part of your Quest should be close to the bottom where it is joining or connecting there. And what we can do is we can put the controllers in this silk bag. Tighten that up. And these are just going to slide right in to the middle gap in there. So already this is adjusting up, so it looks like it's gonna cover it. Let's see if we can get this elastic strap on. Oh yeah, it'll reach. As long as I don't press the release button. There we go. So that elastic strap is going to hold that down in there. Now the moment of truth. Let's see if this will zip up. Yeah, with ease. With a lot of ease, actually. That zipped up super easy. And so you can see it's now expanded. Fits that Halo strap perfectly, even with a little bit of flexible room along all the edges there. So in my opinion, this is going to fit pretty much every Halo strap. I know the biggest one seems to be the Bobo VR S3 Pro, but in my opinion, with how much flexibility I still have left in this one, it would even fit that. You'd be able to put controller grips on those controllers as well and fit those in there. You could maybe put some prescription lenses or something up in here, your charging cord. One of my facial interfaces, not this one, has a fan on it. Maybe you could stick the fan in there. So it still does have room for extra pieces there. Maybe extra batteries for your controllers or something if you don't use rechargeable ones. So this case, it's a great option. You know, if this can fit everything you need on the go, you're not going to be able to fit a golf club in it or anything, but you shouldn't be expecting to fit a golf club in something like this. The fact that it can hold a Halo strap, controllers, I could put controller grips on those, charging cord, a couple extra small things, that's perfect. If you're wanting something bigger, I haven't seen anything that is really substantially bigger from anybody that's really going to make a difference. And so if you're looking for a good quality case, this is a good option for you from ANNAPRO. Price point, we are looking at $71, like I said in the intro there, $71 Canadian. That is a little bit high for a traveling case. It is on sale for $57. If you use my promo code, it'd be more around $52. You know, that still is an investment, I think, but it is a good quality case, and I don't think you would be disappointed with it if this is something that you need right now and something that you're looking for. So thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.